Namaste everyone. Today we are going to discuss what is prompt engineer and why it is so game-changing thing in the world of AI. Also, we will discuss what is the work prompt engineer actually do and also why prompt engineer required. So as a prompt engineer, you are responsible for creating more precise prompt that your AI model will understand. You can consider AI model as ChatGPT or Google Bard, anything. So many times we have seen that, like if a normal person talking to a chatbot or ChatGPT or Bard, we can just write a line like I want this thing. But to write in a precise manner, so your AI model will understand thoroughly and give you a best answer. That is important. And that is the thing that prompt engineer actually doing. So prompt engineer will help you to find the exact keyword that you can put in ChatGPT, and ChatGPT or AI model will give you the best answer. So let's take an example. You have to write a post on LinkedIn and your topic will be something like motivation quote. I want motivation quote for a day. Okay. So in that case, if you are not mentioning what motivation quote do you need or on which topic the motivation should be, so your chat GPT will give you the generic answer, not the exact one. So for writing the exact thing or you want to answer the exact answer, you have to mention the prompt will AI will understand and give you the exact details. Okay, take one more example. Okay, so I want to search like how I can build an API using Java. Okay, if I write like this in ChatGPT, so ChatGPT will give you some of the content. Okay, not the code. In some cases, he will give the code also, but in some cases, it will not give the code. So for writing the right thing is very important. So that is the role and responsibility of a prompt engineer. Prompt engineer will find the keyword that will exactly match with AI model, and AI model will give the exact answer. So for that, suppose you are writing, I want a implementation of API using Spring Boot. So that will give you a exact thing. So then after that, you have to follow back with the right questions. If you are not follow back with the right questions, so your AI model will not give you the exact things. Okay. So prompt engineer roles and responsibility will be like prompt engineer find the keywords, exact match keywords, prompt and write in a good manner. So your AI model will understand and learn thoroughly and give you the exact answer. So this is the one use case. The second use case is if any company using generative AI or ChatGPT API in their system. So in that case, when you are calling that API, so your prompt will be very important. Suppose you are asking ChatGPT, this user is fraud or not. So you have to provide some data using prompt in the API and make sure that API will respond back with some right message, not with the whole content. So you have to train your model or give the right prompt in ChatGPT. So ChatGPT will give you a single answer, single keyword answer that you can take it and compute in your application. So that is the another use case. There are many use cases. If I talk about ChatGPT, so ChatGPT use not in writing content, but as an intelligence system also that we can integrate with our application using chatbot or for detecting some of the things or improving internal productivity in the team or in the company. So many use cases are there where ChatGPT can be fit. But you have to make sure you provide the right prompt, right syntax, and train your ChatGPT on your own data. That is also very important. But because ChatGPT is just a model, it's AI model. The more you give the data to ChatGPT, ChatGPT will give you the more exact answer, more accurate answers. Okay. So for all of this, we want prompt engineer, and prompt engineer responsibilities are like that. You can also become a prompt engineer if you are a back-end developer, front-end developer, any field you have, or you are a non-IT guy. So there is a course, there is a techniques that you can find on LinkedIn or YouTube or any courses, platforms. Okay. So you can find this, all of these things anywhere, and you can learn how I can give the right prompt so I will get the answer in a right way. So nowadays, generative AI is used in many places, such as chatbot, developed by companies using their own data, such as customer support executive positions or customer support queries. There also ChatGPT can help because it is a content. So ChatGPT can read the customer queries and give the output based on your data. Your own data, not the ChatGPT company data, that OpenAI data. You can train your ChatGPT in your own data. So ChatGPT can fetch the data from there and respond back according to your customer need or according to your company domain. That is very interesting part of ChatGPT or generative AI tools. You can use ChatGPT as an e-learning platform, or also you can manage your social media accounts, contents using ChatGPT. So prompt engineer is not just a tool. It is more than a tool. It is a catalyst of productivity, creativity. You can increase your creativity using that tools or using prompt engineering. So if you're liking the content, subscribe to my channel. I am always available to help you. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.